Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some NASCAR Authentics we are going to do from the NASCAR Authentics 2019 187 pack from Wave 2. We have another Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and a Ryan Newman. Now they are a little different from the first two pack, so let's get them open. So as we take both of these cars out, which can take a while, but they are a little different. Like I said, Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s car is now like the Hugs Little Drinks, and Ryan Newman's is the Oscar Myers car. So I got one out. Trying to get the second one out, but it's a little tricky, but I'll show you Ryan Newman. So here is Ryan Newman. He is the number 6 Oscar Mayer car. There is a yellow line with the number 6 Oscar Mayer. It's orange, and this one has hot dogs on it. Then his other one, there is another version of Ryan Newman's Oscar Mayer, but the other one was like sandwiches, like for ham. And here is Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s Hugs car. It's basically the same version as his 164, but smaller. He has a purple hood, Hugs drinks red, green, and blue with his logo. Some red lines. Now they are 187 cars. They are a lot smaller, like I originally said. And here are some of the Wave 1 version of these guys. So Ryan Newman's was the Wyndham Awards for first wave. This was his second wave right now, Oscar Mayer. Also, by the way, there's the yellow line still continues all the way down there. All the way down to his back bumper. And Ricky Stenhouse Jr.'s car, they are both drink sponsors, but they're a little different. This one was his Sunny D. This one is his Hugs car. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.